Declaring a variable is the first step in storing and working with data in a program. A variable must be assigned a value before it can be used to retrieve data. This ensures that the variable holds meaningful information when accessed. You can initialize a variable by assigning a value at the time of declaration. This is done using the assignment operator, which assigns the value on the right side to the variable on the left side. Assignment always happens from right to left. If a variable is declared without initialization, it must be assigned a value before retrieval. Attempting to use an uninitialized variable will result in an error. To get the stored value, simply use the variable's name. Proper variable declaration and initialization ensure that the program functions correctly without unexpected errors due to missing values.